everyone, welcome to Recipes by Picturepalate. Today we're going to try a basil pesto babka. The ingredients required are milk 3/4 cup, yeast 2 1/4 teaspoon, honey 2 tablespoons, eggs 3 numbers, flour 4 cups, salt 1 teaspoon and butter 2 tablespoons. Add the 4 cups of flour, make a well and add 3/4 cup of milk, 2 1/4 teaspoon of yeast and stir until combined. When the milk has mixed in with the flour, slowly add in the eggs and honey and mix until combined. Now you must all be wondering what a babka is. A babka is usually a sweet braided bread of Jewish origin, but today we're going to try a savory filling. Once the dough has come together a little, transfer to a clean surface and knead until it comes together more. If it's too sticky, add a little flour onto the surface and knead. Once the dough has come together a little, add in the butter and salt and make sure the dough becomes a smooth ball. Once the dough is smooth, oil a bowl and transfer the dough into the bowl. Brush a little oil on top of the dough and let it rest. Cover with a wet cloth to keep it from drying out. Let it rest for 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Cut and weigh 80 grams of dough and shape into rounds. Let the balls rest until we make our filling. For our filling, we need basil, 5 cloves of garlic, 4 tablespoons of butter and whatever seasoning of our choice. Add everything to a blender and blend until it's smooth. Now we can add chilies or any spices of our choice to make this more spicy. Now roll out the dough and apply the filling generously and roll into a log. Once it's rolled into a log, cut it in half and twist it into a knot. Look at those beautiful layers that we can see inside. With the same dough, you can add any fillings of your choice. For example, Nutella, cinnamon sugar, spinach filling, etc. The choices are endless. Once all the knots are done, brush with an egg wash and bake at 200 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes or until golden in color. Once it's done, take it out of the oven and brush it with butter to make it shiny and soft. Now don't forget to close the door because we don't want to get hurt. Now it's time to enjoy it with a hot cup of tea or coffee. Don't forget to try the recipe and leave your comments down below. And subscribe to Recipes by Picturepalate for more such recipes.